One calculator for all subjects. Go to omnicalculator.com. Here is the website. You will get calculator for biology, chemistry, financial, sports, math, physics, statistics, ecology, lifestyle, and health-related calculators. And every calculator has lots of options, like for math, average, percentage, decimal, fraction calculator, algebra calculator, and so on. For statistics, risk probability up to 3 events, matrix, random numbers, combination, relative risk, paradox, calculator. You can also calculate distribution from here, coin flip, dice flip, and so on. For finance CPC, CPM, EVM, budget, revenue, row, leverage, tax calculator is there. FIFO, LIFO, sales commission, inventory. Basically, from your house to study any kind of calculator available here. No need to use old calculators anymore. Follow us for more.